Hello, my name is Tilda Harrison-Whitty. I am the program advisor for the accounting program with Navajo Technical University. The program is an Associate of Applied Science degree, and it's been such a rewarding and addictive profession. I am solely invested in helping students succeed. I've been advisor for the American Indigenous Business Leaders. In the accounting program, students have the opportunity to become involved with business leadership conferences, business competitions, internships, and also the opportunity to be a part of the American Indigenous Business Leader organization. If you should need more information, you can contact me through email at twitty@navotech.edu. Thank you.